Jerry's ice cream flavors that have been discontinued. Vermont-based Ben & Jerry's has been making ice cream since 1978, in a whole range of flavors. From peanut butter cup to fish food or cookie dough, everyone has their favorite from the classic lineup. Over the years, however, limited flavors or even new additions have been discontinued to make way for new ideas. Some of these include classics like Dublin Mudslide or peanut butter and jelly, a flavor few can imagine could have ever been removed from the list. Ben & Jerry's sometimes even gives fans the chance to resurrect their favorite flavor from a whole host of options, creating a so-called flavor graveyard with options to choose from. What Ben & Jerry's flavors have been discontinued? Here is a list of the flavors that now appear in the flavor graveyard and are available to be resurrected. Sweaty Balls vanilla ice cream with rum, fudge-covered rum and malt balls. Wavy Gravy caramel and cashew Brazil nut ice cream with a chocolate hazelnut fudge swirl and roasted almonds. Fossil Fuel sweet cream ice cream with chocolate cookie pieces, fudge dinosaurs and a fudge swirl. Turtle Soup vanilla ice cream with fudge-covered caramel cashews and a caramel swirl. Vermonty Python coffee liqueur ice cream with chocolate cookie crumb swirl and fudge cows. This is Nuts chocolate and pistachio ice creams with fudge-covered almonds and lightly roasted pistachios. Aloha Macadamia milk chocolate cashew Brazil nut butter ice cream with macadamia nuts covered in white and dark fudge and milk chocolate swirl. Chocolate Comfort chocolate truffle low-fat ice cream and white chocolate low-fat ice cream. Chocolate chip cookie dough frozen yogurt vanilla frozen yogurt with chocolate chip cookie dough. Sugar Plum ice cream with a caramel swirl. Ethan Almond vanilla ice cream with chocolate-covered almonds. Peanut Butter and Jelly peanut butter ice cream with peanut butter bits and strawberry jelly. Bovinity Divinity milk chocolate and white chocolate ice cream with white and dark fudge cows. Ms. Yelena's sweet potato pie ginger ice cream with a fudge swirl. Urban Jumble chocolate and coconut ice cream with white and dark chocolate chunks, pecans and roasted almonds. Creme Brulee sweet custard ice cream with a caramelized sugar swirl. Rainforest Crunch ice cream with cashew and Brazil nut butter crunch. Cool Britannia vanilla ice cream with strawberries and fudge-covered shortbread. Au Pair fresh pear ice cream with a hint of almond and a light fudge swirl. Fresh Georgia Peach vanilla ice cream with fresh Georgia peaches. Peanuts. Popcorn caramel ice cream with white fudge-covered caramel popcorn, toffee-coated peanuts, and caramel swirl. Tuskegee Chunk peanut butter ice cream and chocolate chunks. White Russian coffee ice cream with Kahlua coffee liqueur. Economic Crunch vanilla with chocolate-covered almond, pecans and walnuts. Devil's Food chocolate, swirls of light and dark chocolate sorbet. Wild Maine blueberry ice cream with Maine blueberry puree and wild Maine blueberries. Purple passion fruit, raspberry, blackberry and passion fruit sorbet swirled with other natural flavors. Dastardly Mash, chocolate ice cream with pecans, almonds, raisins, and chocolate chips. Holy Cannoli, ricotta and pistachio ice cream with chocolate-covered cannolis and roasted pistachios. Tennessee Mud coffee ice cream with amaretto, Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey and roasted slivered almonds. Coconutterly Fair chocolate ice cream with coconut caramel swirls and chocolate-covered coconut caramel crunch. Chocolate Macadamia, chocolate and vanilla ice cream with chocolate-covered macadamia nuts. Cow Power sweet cream ice cream with chocolate cookie pieces, dark chocolate cows and a chocolate fudge swirl. Dublin Mudslide, Irish cream liqueur ice cream with chocolate chip cookies and a coffee fudge swirl. While the graveyard started online, it is now a real place where fans can go. The physical graveyard was opened in 1997 with just 4 flavors: Dastardly Mash, Economic Crunch, Ethan Almond, and Tuskegee Chunk. Now it has 35 flavors. The graveyard can be found at the site of the first factory in Vermont. Nicholas Simmons of Ben & Jerry's and founder of Graveyard told the Mirror, "The flavor graveyard started online 30 years ago. We started through a website during Halloween. Later, in 1997, we started it in its original form at our Waterbury plant where people who like these flavors can come and express their feelings because we know it is not easy to forget the taste of your favorite ice cream."